In today's video, I'll teach you how to clear link history on Facebook. So first of all, launch open Facebook application. You can see over here Facebook application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So what you have to do is tap on the three lines that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option, settings and privacy. You'll be able to see various options. Tap on this option, link history, that you can see on the screen. If you want to clear the individual link, what you have to do is simply tap on the cross icon right next to that particular link, or you can also tap on this option, clear all, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to confirm clearing the link history. Tap on this option, clear, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your link history has been cleared. So that is how you clear link history on Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.